अस्य श्री त्र्यंबक स्तोत्र महामंत्रस्य मैत्रावरणपुत्रो वसिष्ठ ऋषेः अनुष्टुछन्दः अनुष्ठुञ्छन्दः श्रीमृत्युञ्जय त्र्यंबक रुद्रो देवता देवदेव्यौ प्रणवौ बीजशक्तिः ॐ त्र्यंबकं त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयममृतात् ॐ अस्य श्रीरामतारक रामतारक महामन्त्रस्य सदाशिवो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुञ्छन्दः श्रीराम परमात्मा देवता राम बीजं नमः शक्तिः रामाय कीलकं श्रीरामचन्द्र प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थे भक्तिज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः ॐ श्रीं रामाय नमः. It's called, there is a mantra called Mrityunjaya mantra has to be always followed. Death conquering mantra, Mrityunjaya. The one who has given is Vasishtha. And Vasishtha has given that mantra. But he told that mantra doesn't work unless you add a Taraka mantra. You can't conquer the death unless you meditate. So the meditation, Taraka, purifying. Unless you wash off your sins. So mantra of meditation, Taraka mantra. It is called Rama Taraka mantra, Rama. You have to meditate on Rama to clean your mind. Rama Taraka mantra. Then only you will conquer you will understand what is the Mrityunjaya. What is the Mrityunjaya mantra? You will understand. That is only the way to conquer the death. This is given by the Shiva. And Vasishtha is telling, the great yogi, the greatest of all the powers, the one who is the architect of the matrix, the one who is the architect of yoga, the one who has given the letters, the 50 letters, who has given the 50 letters, Shiva, is the death conqueror. His mantra is very powerful. But the only way to realize and what Shiva meant is again Adishesha Avatara. Again it is Patanjali. Again it is a Panini. Again it is Rama. Understand? The only way you can get to the singularity is from the present. Living in the present. Living in the present is a Vishnu. That is only the way to reach the destiny. Understand? To burn every moment, Shiva is there if you are in Vishnu Tattva, if you are living in this moment. If you don't live in this moment, free from past or a future, there is no Shiva. The only way to connect to the Shiva, the only way to connect to resolve is, the qualification is to be with the Vishnu Tattva, to be in this moment. In this moment, there is no birth, there is no death. This moment is only this moment. There is no Brahma. Everything ends in this moment. Past ends in this moment. Future begins in this moment. Everything in this moment. This moment is called Vishnu. That is only the way to end. Rudra, to realize. Brahmastvam, Brahmastvam, Vishnustvam, Rudrastvam. That's why. Why it is coupled? Gayatri is not coupled with any mantra. But this Mrityunjaya mantra, the death conquering mantra, immortality, mantra of immortality, people in India use it very loose. Any disease, anyone has a fever, anyone has a disease, they chant this mantra. It is not disease conquering mantra, it is a death conquering mantra. It is the highest level of wisdom. Trayambakam means third eye. When eyes closed, Bhru, Chakshu, Ajna Chakshu, whatever you call, third eye is mind, prefrontal cortex, the area of cognition. So that is called Atma, that is called Vijnana by the Buddha, that is called observer. Observer always operates from here, prefrontal area. The center of the prefrontal area, which conjoins the left, right, the center, means seamless working, training corpus callosum to work seamlessly with the left and right, left frontal brain, right frontal brain, to connect seamlessly. And the eye, the gap in between, the situated here, that's called Ajna Chakra. When you observe in this moment, the present moment, the right brain is in the present, and the left brain is past and future, merging in the present. That's only the way to make your left brain, right brain work seamlessly. That's why it is all about, when you say third eye, it is all about living with the Vishnu Tattva, living in this moment, free from past, free from future conditioning. There should not be any conditioning in your mind about the present reality. Then only the free from absolute past, free from absolute future. Rama mantra, like breath. Absolutely you will never know what breath is going to come. Absolutely you will never know what breath is going out. You will never, no breath is the same. Every breath is unique. A breath gone is gone, and again new breath. Never. Absolutely present, free from any conditioning. It should not have any conditioning. You should not be given any clue about any clue given either pushes you future or past. That's why the Trayambakam, third eye, mantra of what works, what is the only way out for the death, conquering the death, is living in this moment. And what did he say? Vasishtha. Vasishtha is saying the mantra. Sadashiva mantra, it is given by Sadashiva, means the Shiva again. Rama mantra is given by Shiva, not Vasishtha, not by Valmiki. Sadashiva, Rishihi. A Shiva who attained that immortality, practicing Om Asya Sri Ramataraka Mahamantrasya Sadashiva Bhagavan Rishi Anashtan Chandah Sri Rama Paramatma Devata Ram Bijam Namaha Shakti Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada Sijjarte Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Sijjarte Jape Viniyoga Sri Rama chant. The voice, the tone. When you can't chant, you only have to listen. It has to be born from here. Ramaya Namah. Anustan Chandah. Anusthana, practicing mantra it is. Means meditating mantra it is. It is not a mantra to meditate. On what? Sri Rama Paramatma Devata. The Rama who attained after his enlightenment, Parabrahma, is a God. Jesus is a God. Prophet himself is a God. And how he attained that Parabrahma Rama, Sri Rama? Ram Bijam. He used Bijam, seed of what? Where it is born. What is born in this moment, without any pretinct, without any prediction. Ram, that is the breath. What leads the digestion? Air, a solid fuel, liquid fuel, gas fuel, which is the most powerful way to lit the fire. Oxygen, breath. That's why he is using Dve, same, Vasishtha only telling. Dve Bije Rama. So he is telling how mantra Rama as a two seed mantra, two seed, combination of two seed mantras. It is a root mantra. Rama is a root mantra, but combined of two seed mantra. What are the two seeds? Ram Bijam. Another one is Ma. Nama. In Namaha, Ma is there. Rama, Ma is there. Why he is telling? Because your exhalation is flat. Namaha connects the soul. When you purify, you connect. Your exhalation is nothing but removing all the impurities, taking away. You are purified. Your mind is purified. Namaha. Exhalation says Namaha. Inhalation says Ram. So Rama is Ra, Ma means Namaha. Connects to the mind, purifies the mind. Exhalation. Namaha. This is about prana. Dve Bije Rama Chittasya. The two realities, Rama, Ra, first letter, second letter is Ma. It connects to, he is telling, it connects to Prana Spandana Chitta. The Chitta has two realities, and the only way you can work with the Chitta, the only way you can purify your mind is living in this moment is one is the breath, another one is at the Chitta DNA level, and Ra, Ma indicates Dve bije. The two indicates nothing but the breath and your DNA memory. And that is only the way to purify. Ram Bijam Namah Shakti. Energy. What is energy? So, when entropy comes down, entropy, dissolving entropy, Ramaya Kilakam. Kilakam means which is the most important tool, step in the entire process. Kilaka. Without that, nothing happened. That is the key. Kilaka means it is the key. And Rama is a mantra, is a key, a gateway to the heavens. It is a mantra of meditation. These are called two holes. The key is here, breath is called key, and these are called locks, two holes. And Rama, breath coming in, breath going out. Breath is the key. Ramaya Kilakam. It's all about meditating on your breath. Dve bije. As breath comes, as breath comes in, ra 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 ra, as breath goes out, ma ma ma, hamma, hum. Ram, Ram, Ram. It is not Rama, it is only single letter. That's what he is saying. In this, Ma is there. When you do inhalation, exhalation, but it is only one word. Ram. Ram Bijam. Ram is a single seed mantra, but you can divide. Ra means, Ma means, Dve Bije Ram. Two. Two indicates what? Prana, breath. One is your natural breath, and another one is indicates connecting to the DNA, purification of the DNA, and touching the DNA, purifying the DNA with the breath. Ram Bijam Namaha Shaktihi, dissolving entire your DNA memory. That's only the way to channelize your entropy, channelize your energy. E is equal to mc square, Shakti, E. This is only the way to channelize. Shakti Ramaya Kilakam, to dissolve energy, and the lock is only the breath. Key is only the breath, and here is the lock. Always breath is, and when what opens your prana, and all the time what is giving you, what is unlocking you is the breath. If the breath is not there, key is not there, lock will not open. You are locked, you are dead. If this breath is not there, so what is keeping you alive is the key, the breath. The breath, if you understand the breath, and it opens, and the lock of conditioning further. And if you use it, if you are aware, it connects to the absolute. Entire lock, matrix, entire program is a lock. Entire conditioning is a lock. Bondage, programmed, conditioned, everything opens. The key is breath. Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada. It is a blessing of the Vishnu Avatara. Rama means Vishnu, Vishnu means in this moment. It is the greatest prasada. What Rama has given us is meditating on the breath. That is the greatest prasada. The greatest, when you go to a church, a bread is given, a wine is given by the priest. When you go into a temple, if you don't take that bread, if you go to a church, attend a mass, if you don't take a wine, if you don't take bread, it is a sin. Similarly, when you walk into a temple, if you don't take the tirtha, wine, and the juice of the coconut, or amrita, elixir, and followed by a bread, coconut. If you don't take prasada, you are a sin. You are committing a great sin, because that is given by Jesus. The wine represents the Jesus. Bread represents the Jesus here in a temple, and the liquid represents the Parabrahma, represents the God over there, represents the prasada, the solid food represents the God, the liquid food represents the God. Solid represents the fuel, liquid represents dissolving it and putting the fire. The solid is in the form in which fire is hidden, fuel it is, and the liquid is to burn it. To burn it, to dissolve it. When fire is there, what do? You throw the water. So water and the fire, extinguishing the fire and source of the fire. That's why is a wine or a bread, where is a tirtha, a coconut water, or made with the ghee, cow ghee, and cow milk, and honey, and cow curd, and made with all these 5 things, and made with the coconut water, and this is called amrita, elixir. This is what we are supposed to take when you go to a temple. And because cleaning, amrita, balance, purification, and after doing this, abhisheka, with these 5 mixture, after the sanctum sanatorium, after purifying it, it is collected from the down, and that is given as a tirtha, a sacred water. When you walk into any Tibetan monastery, a sacred water kept in the bowls, the water kept in here bowls, you take the water, sprinkle. Sacred water. So, explaining that, Sri Ramachandra Prasad Siddhyarthe Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyarthe. Rama means complete devotion, motivation, humility, knowledge, wisdom, utmost detachment. And the path is complete. Path is complete. He did not use karma. He used only 3, because in Treta Yuga, Bhakti Jnana Vairagya, karma. Everyone is removing the karma. No one does the karma. Removing the karma, Bhakti Jnana Vairagya. Only 3 things are talked about. Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyoga. You must use it as for only meditation. Japa means meditation. What is ja? What is japa? Ja, apo. Japa, japo. Apo means water. Ja means born. To end The life begins with the water. To put out the fire, again to be reborn. So it is all cooling down mechanism. Japa means like a tapa. Tapa means to removing the heat. Japa means to conquer the death. So beginning with where we are born, japa. Japa, 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 japa. Ajapa, ajapa. No more birth, no more born. No sound is born, nothing is born. Ajapa. And then tapa. Japa, ajapa, tapa. All are apa only, removing, putting out the fire, putting out the fire, putting out the fire, putting out the birth, where it is born. I stop adding any more. Japa means I stop adding any more. I won't generate again. Now I stopped adding already ajapa. Now I started removing the source, tapa. So japa, it has to be used for meditation only. Jape, not for this, mindfulness. A rosary beads going on. Rama 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 Ram 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 1 9 Ram 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 2 Ram 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 3 Ram 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 4 Ram 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 5 Ram 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 6 Ram 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 7 Ram 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 8 Ram 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 9 Ram 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 90 Ram 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 Number of beats over. 1 round is over. Ekam paridrishtam jape karishyami Ekam japam paridrishtam sankhyabi paridrishtam karishyami Jape viniyogah Om asya Sri Ramataraka Mahamantrasya Sadashivo Bhagavan Rishihi Anushtunchandah Sri Rama Paramatma Devata Ram Bijam Namaha Shaktihi Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada Sijjardhe Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Sijjardhe Jape Viniyogah Atham Atha Japam Karishyami Om Sri Ram Ramaya Namaha Om Asya Sri त्र्यम्बकस्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य मैत्रावरुणपुत्रो वसिष्ठऋषिः अनुष्टुञ्छन्दः श्रीमृत्युञ्जय त्र्यम्बक रुद्रो देवता देवदेव्यौ प्रणवौ बीजशक्तिः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Only one, it's only one word. The only one word at the end, the last stanza is one word. उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Only one word. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. That's a chant when you want to. In a chanta, ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. It's all Chetana, it's all cutting, not like Gayatri. Bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. It's not like that. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshyamamrutat. It's called prayoga. You have to use it, you have to prayoga, you have to apply it, you have to use it. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshyamamrutat mrityormukshi urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshyamamrutat urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshyamamrutat urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshyamamrutat. That's all. Starter, main course, dessert. The starter is who has given it, the chanta. Om asya Sri Trambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya Maitra Varna Putra Vasishtha Rishi Anustan Chanda Sri Mrutyunjaya Trambaka Devata Devadevyau Pranavau Bija Shaktau Bija Shakti. It is given by Vasishtha, the son of Maitri Varuna, and it's called Stotra. It is praising wisdom, praise of wisdom. Triambakam Stotra Mahamantrasya is a Mahamantra. It is third eye wisdom mantra, highly praised by the saints. Highly praised by the saints. It is the absolute mantra. Asya Sri Triambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya, absolute mantra. Every saint and does it. And it is the praise, it is a wisdom mantra. It is only the mantra of the wisdom. Third eye, Stotra, praised by all the gods, angels, entire existence, all the yogis. Maitra Varanaputra Vasishtha Rishi, the one who has systematized it. It has been there, from Veda, that from the time immemorial, but the one who has systematized it, the one who has given grammar, the one who has given the sound of silence, how to chant, is the Vasishtha. Anustan Chanda, style is practicing, it is a practicing mantra. Wisdom is practice, skill, it is a skill. Doctor means it is a skill oriented, practice oriented. Lawyer means practice oriented. Chartered accountant means practice oriented. A scientist means practice oriented. Practice, skill oriented. Sri Mrutyunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Mrutyunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Goddess, angel. Who is angel? The Rudra. Third eye, Sati, awareness, wisdom eye. Is feminine or male? Is a feminine. What dissolves? Third eye is called Rudra. Trambaka Rudra Devata Savita Devata. In Gayatri, Savita is the Devata, female angel. Here, the female angel is wisdom, Pradnya. Her name is Triambaka, Mrutyunjaya Triambaka, Triambaka, third eye, wisdom, Rudra. Third eye, Devata. Third eye, Sati, her name is Sati. Triambaka Rudra Devata. Purpose is Mrutyunjaya, it conquers. This is only the way to conquer the death. Third eye, whether to watch the breath, whether to observe inside, you only have to use not the brain, nothing. Only you have to use third eye, wisdom eye, mind eye, observer. It is the mantra of only observation, field of observation. Devadevyau Pranavau Bija Shakti. Shakti, most powerful mantra it is. Bija Shakti. Shakti Pita, Tantrics worship. There is no Shakti beyond this. This is the seed of the energy. Pranavau, from where energy is born, where entropy is born. This mantra represents Om. What is revealed? Parinamantara. Pranava, Parinava. Becoming new, newly born. Pranava, what is born? To end. Again, second birth, Pranava. Parinava, what is born? What is born? These universes are born out of singularity. Every universe, every day born. Every day, every universe is dying. Universes are infinite. Like we are seeing today, so many stars collapsed. And you will see in NASA website today, so and so star collapsed. And on a bigger scale, today, so and so universe collapsed. Means so and so universe is born, so and so universe is born. And it's all. Born. Pranava. Every day a universe is born. Born in Big Bang. What is the first letter in English? In Sanskrit, what is born? Born. Then, end. Anything born has to die in the womb. And in between, lifespan, where is the 250 trillionth of a second of a wire or anything, of pentaquark dark energy, or a 250 million years, or 250 trillion years. Still, Pranava. What is born is to die. That's Pranava, Parinava, which goes changing, which has a cycle of birth and death, which has a Parinama, which is again born, again and again, in the field of entropy, again and again is born. Energy form changes. And what is born is a Pranava. A entropy is born. Every day, fields of entropy are born. Every day, fields of entropy is born. Pranava. So, and the way to realize is that, what is born? So, what Patanjali is tasya vachaka pranava? What is revealed? What sound it is making? As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so hum. What is the pranava? So hum. As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so. Pranava. What is revealed? A inhalation, what sound it is revealing? So. And exhalation, what sound it is revealing? Tasya vachaka pranavaha. What sound it is relieving? Hum. That is the pranava. That's what he is telling. Pranavau bija shakti deva devyau pranavau bija shakti. This is a starter. The one who has given, and who is a female, and who is a male, and how to end out. Deva Devyau Parabrahma, Pranavo Bija Shakti, the root mantra it is. Seed mantra of the entropy is the Om. Om is of what is born, that is the seed of entire existence. What is Om? You remove S, you remove H, Om. It is a revelation. And when breath is coming in, you are not making any sound. Breath sounds like so. Exhalation sounds like Am. That's what is born in the universe. And you are born with this. Without this, you are no more. This is a key. Kilakam, Bija, Shakti. This is a key. This is a law. Understand your key. Your key is, as inhalation comes, so what is revealed? What goes out? It is saying a sound Hum. So breath comes, so breath breath goes out. Hum, hum. Om, O, Om. What is revealed is what is revealed here, that is the same thing revealed in the Big Bang. I is born. That's what he's talking about. The Shakti, the field of Shakti, when he is explaining, that is a literal mantra. So that is a Deva Devyo Pranavo Bija Shakti. Means that is only the way to realize singularity. Entropy is, to realize entropy, to realize the singularity, entropy. Trambaka, third eye. Sati is only the way to reach Pati. Who is Pati? Deva Devyau Pranavau Bija Shakti. From where it is born, it is called Purusha. It is called purity. Purusha. Purusha. Purusha is a male and Stri. Stri means female. What's born? And that's why you will find two kinds of the lingas you will find when you walk into a temple. Linga, female, male. Linga means male, female. Temples constructed for the linga, you will find architecture of the lingas. Two kinds of the lingas you will find. Male, female. Male organ is not called linga. Male and female together is called linga. Linga means Purusha, Stri. Stri linga, Purusha linga. Purusha, Stri together only called linga. That's why you will find the male, you will find a female, a linga. You will find this is the linga. This is the linga over, so people call this a penis. Okay, this is a penis. It is indicating inserted through a yoni, inserted through universe. This universe, river journey, this universe. This is your entropy. When you reverse, it is the entropy. It is toward journey toward the singularity. By default, you are here and singularity. Your journey is, this is a Purusha, this is singularity. You have to pass through this field of singularity. When you pass through, you come out. And have you come out completely? Have you gone in completely? Have you come out completely? Have you gone in completely? It is from the bottom to top or top to down? It is from top to down. It is like this. What is important? So you will find two. One is positioned like you will see the base and you will see this and you will see this. Three things you will see. You will see the base, you will see this, you will see three things you will see. Job unfinished. Another one you will see called Swayambhu Linga. This is not called Swayambhu Linga. It is called Uttita Linga, Uttishta Linga. Swayambhu Linga, that they are the temples, self-formed, which are called powerful. Why is it called powerful? Why this is linga is not powerful? What is Swayambhu Linga? You will only see, you will see this. And you will see this. You won't see anything. You will see a small thing, this. A small curvature. It is like, you will find it is like this. And in this, you will find a small like this. In this will not even cross this, it is inside. Means the journey is finished. It indicates singularity. You won't find here any penis, Only job finished, gone inside, you are passed to the event horizon. You have already experienced a black hole. You gone, this is a black hole, you gone beyond black hole. What you experienced is singularity, nothing else. That's why it's powerful. Job accomplished, job unfinished, mission unfinished, mission accomplished. In terms of this tantric sex, the penis is completely inserted inside until organism is experienced. If it doesn't touch the singularity, if your penis is hanging somewhere in between, a female will never get orgasm. And penis only touching is only gives a sensation, ecstasy. But ultimately it has to be completely dissolved, union, to go beyond mind and body. To go beyond mind and body. The union, this represents absolute union. A male forgets, a female forgets, that's all. There are no more two, there are only one. Union and singularity experience. A very powerful way of channelizing momentary energy. Just like as I told you, dance. When you dance, you get tired. After you're tired, when you lie down, easy to enter into the trance, samadhi. So also, after intense sexual sex and completely experience the organism, and male sleeps that side and female for this side. Males exhausted, female totally exhausted, egoless become. Still ego remaining, the job is unfinished. It further raises. That's why it is very important for female to experience complete orgasm. A job unfinished builds a lot of suppression energy, and that becomes a big block in the meditation progresses. That's why in the Tibet, in Bhutan, you will find the technologies of this phallus. Lingha means phallus. Phallus is representing what? Representing the black hole. And whether you got into black hole or not, and whether you realized singularity or not, this is not a singularity not realized. That's why this linga, this phallus is much inferior, which you can see everything. Entire penis you can see, so you can see the event horizon and it's only halfway through. And here you can see completely inserted, completely gone inside one. That's all. It's only what you see is a black hole, that's all, nothing else. You won't see anything, only black hole. So black hole, once you enter into the black hole, gone. Where you end up? Singularity. Once you enter into the completely black hole, you will experience that ecstasy or ecstasy only. You will not experience singularity. It is an indication. Why it is indicated, why phallus is worshipped? Because what prevents you is the libidinal energies. So those libidinal energies, so one can use it for the other purpose, to really go through the universe in black hole. And many of the people at lowest level, for them, just like dervish dances for the tribals, the one who eats non-vegetarian, etc. in the forest, for them, so the only means of happiness or whatever it is called maithuna, for them, so tantra, this is only the way. Or where female, and you are practicing meditation, but you will never progress in meditation, especially for females. And if they had a desire for the sex, but it never fulfilled, or a husband is incompetent, then many spirits enter. Many spirits, and the spirits prevent the female to experience the singularity, enlightenment. They determine, they prevent her to experience singularity. In that case, a monk, a guru, administers the therapy of the phallus, and tells, this is your problem, the spirits are enjoying you, and it is better, let them not enjoy. So you do some treatment and he gives you vibrator or something. So like that place in Bhutan gives the technology, phalluses are sold. Objects of phalluses are sold. Penises are sold. Now the modern world, when you say New York Center, so what Times Square in New York, when you say, do you know what is famous there? Only 6 toy shops are famous. People, the world boasts, it is the Times Square, Times Square, Times Square. Do you know what is in the Times Square? I really got shattered when I saw. So, I am not really shattered because in one, my mind looks at positively. If I looked at positively, I have seen what I have seen in Bhutan, I have seen in the New York Center, the toy shops selling and sexual toys. Not one, the whole street joining at the center of the Times Square. So what you see in Bhutan is the same. I thought a while, is it New York Center or a Bhutan? But in Bhutan you will not find all those billboards and all those things. Oh, I realized at the end, so-called civilization also ends again in the Bhutan only. With this technology is only phallus technology. Still they have a long way to go to the Gompa area, because Bhutan is this side of the Gompas. It is only preparatory area. Means there is a long way to go beyond. You have to cross Pahad, forest. You have to cross Himalaya, again peaks of the, so snow peaks. Then you have to go Vairagya, a long way to go. Wherever it is indicated, but its indication is, so a black hole at the highest level to look at it is a black hole. It is an event horizon. You are passing through an event horizon. This is the event horizon. Once you past, future, only living in the present and future. That's all. And why this is represented, it is understood like this. It is understood like this. Universe it is. Entropy, energy. You just convert this into this. If you convert the same universe, this like this, or same universe you keep like this, it becomes like this. So if you keep like this, if you keep the 3 lines or line like this, that is called Shiva. Here, so if you keep like this is called Shiva, hyperbola. If you keep like this, parabola, it is called Vishnu. There is no difference. The difference is, the only from Vishnu Tattva only you can realize is this. Journey is not toward this. The journey, because it is a white hole representing, the journey is like this. But suppose I represent like this, the journey is like this. The same. That is only the difference. So, that's why people represent like this. Center line will be there. Or people represent like this, central. 3 lines, here also 3. This is the first line, second line, third line. Base, event horizon, past, future, present. The middle line represents the present, past, base, future, top. This is a way represent. So the timeline, what cuts through is the present. Trayambakam is explanation of the Shakti, entropy beyond, and death conquering mantra. And that mantra, Chanda, it has to be understood, it has so much of meaning, and if required, once again I chant, not today, in some other time. This is Mrityunjaya Mahamantra. You must understand it first, and because it has a Taraka, Rama Taraka mantra, people don't know. Dessert, without dessert, only you have main course. Always meal, very important, starter, main course, dessert. In India, the starter is called pickle, hot, then main course, mixture of 6 tastes, and then comes an end is called dessert. Yogurt. Dessert, yogurt. This is the end. The 3 parts of the meal always. Every mantra, Maha Mantra, root mantra has 3. All 3 are very important. The first one is the pickle. The one who has given it, that is starter is very, very important. Then the main course important. Then dessert is important. Dessert is Taraka Rama Mantra is the dessert here. And so the dessert is. I will further little bit throw the light on that because time is, like Gayatri Mantra, it took 3 days. For this I won't take 3 days. Yes, it can be taken many days. But I may not take, but starter, main course I explained. And main course still I have not explained actually, the meaning of it. I only chanted, and so Taraka Rama Mantra I explained. Rama Taraka Mantra, not Taraka Rama Mantra, Rama Taraka Mantra. Rama is meant for purification. Taraka means purification. So Rama Taraka Mantra explain. So I will again summarize the 3, what is the starter and what is the main course. Main course mantra I have not explained actually. What does it mean? So I have not explained. So once I explain, I will tell you.